Today we're out here, we're getting ready to set the last couple units of our curtain wall, which completes the glass enclosure for the building. This is a pretty unique building. Everything from the curtain wall itself to the roof structure, the lines of the roof. I think it's a pretty attractive building. So it'll be a place where, you know, people want to come not only check out airplanes, check out what they need to on their travels, but also just check out the building itself, because it's a pretty cool building. It's pretty unique, and there's really not one that's like it anywhere near this region. We've got in total over 100,000 square feet of glass. The curtain wall comprises 80,000 square feet of glass itself. And then of course we've got some clear story windows and storefronts, glass doors, those sorts of things that make up the rest of the total. Pretty big milestone on the project. Excited to be at this point after, you know, for me, 4+ years of work on the job.
This isn't our normal system, so we had to, come up with a different plan on how we pick these up, and the weight's another thing. These are much heavier than normal. There's a lot of finishes, a lot of work. It requires heat and stuff like that. So once we're closed up, they get some of these little corners buttoned up, more work will begin. It's not done every day. I mean, this is very unique in everything we did here. So it's very, very rewarding. I mean, I've only been a part of a couple other bigger projects. So for me, I mean, this is a big deal. I mean, something I can tell my family about and friends, and try to do our best here, make our company look good along with local 30 ironworkers. There's only a few people left in our local that's done work like this. A lot of guys retired. So we constantly bring in new guys and want to try it. We teach them on the fly, and they learn to love it, and they just want to keep continuing doing it. It's stuff you see when you're done. I mean, a lot of this still, you'll see when it's done, but most buildings, story buildings, you put all the iron up and it's all covered up, you never see it again. At least everything we do, you'll see in the future, and you get to see it over and over again.
My past, I never worked on large scale projects like this in Pittsburgh, but I'm from Pittsburgh. So to come back home and be able to work on a job like this and work with the trades that we have here, especially the companies that actually were hired to do the work, is pretty special. Got to know the guys, pretty well. And it's just a great group of people working on the job. So to be a part of that and get things, finished with them is special to me.